So for today's video, it's just going to be a very quick makeup tutorial moment lang tayo, day. By the way, hindi ako oily. This is my skincare and I'm doing a skincare challenge right now. At abangan ninyo because this skincare is probably probably like the best skincare challenge I've tried so far. But I don't know. Kailangan tapusin natin yung 2 weeks bago ko talaga masabi yung thoughts ko. But for today's video, we're going to transform this very simple face into something else. Cute, really snatched, mala hot girl summer. Alam mo yun? Uso ngayon sa beauty community yung hot girl summer makeup look. So, I'm going to do my hot girl summer, my own version of hot girl summer makeup look. Hot girl summer, which basically means do your own thing, do your own makeup, do whatever that makes you feel confident, cute, and everything. So yeah, hindi ko pa alam anong gagawin ko. I'm just gonna wing it. But I hope by the end of this video, makapagbigay ako sa inyo ng, tips and tricks on how to do your makeup, pang work, pang Zoom, pang online, pang whatever.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that that you miss me.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down the fire one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
Alright guys, so we are done for today's makeup. Thank you so much for watching, and abangan nyo yung next video. It's going to be my April favorites, hits and misses. I'm not sure if I have misses, but definitely hits, because it's April favorites. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!